The traditional worldview. The traditional worldview is rooted in long-established cultural and religious beliefs. It often emphasizes stability, order, and adherence to established norms and values. Traditional values include solidarity, security, discipline, service, and faith. Nature's meaningful, delightfully constructed order of God's creation. In this worldview, violence in school might be seen as a departure from traditional moral values and a breakdown in social order. It may be attributed to factors such as a decline in religious or moral guidance.
Modern worldview sees the universe as a physical, mechanical, objective entity and finds truth in knowledge, in empirical science, rationality, and logic. It is divided into three components, which are rationality, individualism, and pursuit of progress through science and technology. Our social issue, which is violence in school, is likely seen as a problem that can be analyzed through scientific methods. This issue can be resolved by engaging in evidence-based instruction, such as increased security measures, counseling services, and data-driven policies.
The postmodern worldview. The postmodern worldview questions traditional narratives, power structures, and fixed truth. It often highlights the role of language and discourse in shaping our reality. Views of the postmodern worldview in violence in schools. Violence in school is seen as a socially constructed issue influenced by power dynamics, language, and cultural narratives. It may be attributed to factors like normalization of violence in media and discourse. The solution to this, according to postmodern thinkers, they advocate for deconstruction of dominant narratives and the inclusion of marginalized voices in addressing violence in schools. They also emphasize critical media literacy and cultural sensitivity and inclusivity. The interactive worldview. The interactive worldview is a theoretical framework that examines complex societal issues by considering the dynamic interplays between three key components: individuals, social structure, and cultural values and norms. So, with the issue of violence in schools, the interactive worldview framework suggests that understanding and addressing violence in schools requires considering complex interactions between these components. Violence is not solely as a result of individual actions, but is influenced by broader systematic issues such as culture and norms and the societal structure that the learners live in. So in combating violence, it's important that we take these into consideration. Thank you.